If you struggle with doing your makeup for festivals and doing something really detailed and cute, I have something coming for you. I'm collabing with Astrobabe to bring you the coolest freaking makeup product that I have seen. This product has been in the works for like 2 years and I cannot wait to show you how it works. This is actually my first time getting to try the product in real life. I've only seen other people try the product while it was being tested. So we came up with this really cute pink heart design because if you know me, you know I absolutely love hearts and it's my last name. I'm gonna go ahead and peel off the top layer, and then you peel this off individually. Now, this is what is amazing. Just press it down and it becomes eyeshadow with this really cute design. Okay, let's do it. Ready? And then you just peel it off. Oh my God, that's so cute. I can't believe how easy that was. Oh my goodness. Let's do this again. You just place it where you want it. And you want to really press down. You want to really slide across. Make sure it's really pressed in and slide across here. Oh my God, that is so cute. And let me show you how I would finish up this eye makeup. I would take like a shimmery color and just dab that in the corner and like finish that off. And I'll do it again on this side. Just kind of like blend it in and complete the eye makeup look there. Oh my gosh, so that is so freaking cute. I cannot even believe it. I got a little too excited while showing this to you, but all these sets are going to come with a little setting powder and a brush, and you want to set it right when you peel it off before you start blinking like I've been doing. Setting the product is what is going to make it last all day long. I started blinking and I obviously should have set it beforehand, but this was my first time doing it and I was just so excited to try it out. So definitely set the product right after you peel it off. I love how easy this is to apply. All the videos that I saw made it look super easy, but it is actually easy for you to use. It's going to be perfect for a beginner. It is launching towards the end of February and I cannot wait for you to try it too.